Spend more time doing what you love and less time shoveling snow in this beautiful ranch-style villa. Bright natural light and vaulted ceilings greet you when you step inside. This desirable open-concept home with a split-bedroom design that has been meticulously maintained is ready for you. Unwind in the spacious master retreat with tray ceiling and an ensuite bath that boasts new ceramic tile walk-in shower, plus a huge walk-in closet with custom organizers. The 2 remaining bedrooms have automatic blinds, built-in bookcases, and walk-in closets. The eating kitchen is the heart of the home with custom cabinetry, undermount lighting, a new stainless steel sink and faucet, and a sliding patio door that leads to the backyard with a new composite deck. The 2-car attached garage features a storm door and includes a 7x11 bump out with utility sink, so it's perfect for a workspace or storage. This home features a pond-fed irrigation and water filtration system. The quarterly villa dues include access to the clubhouse that's equipped with a full kitchen and plenty of tables and chairs for gatherings, a fitness center, swimming pool, snow removal, and lawn care. All kitchen appliances, washer and dryer, and window treatments will remain with the home. Close to restaurants and shopping, this home really offers it all. Schedule a private showing today by calling Dana Myers.